go. Are we filming on filming? Are we doing that filming on filming thing?
Yeah, the filmception.
They don't know how deep this is, by the way. Love the service box on it. But this is Animus Forks up here. There's a lot of structure still standing up here. And this is also a big intersection area up here. Going up that way, it's Hurricane. Going this way is Engineer, and this is the way we're gonna go. And then that'll eventually take you over to Lake City. If you go straight down that way, it's gonna take you to Silverton. Look at Riley over there with his fancy side of the street with all the Toyotas. And he wants to come over here to the Jeep side.
What Toyotas are there?
You want to come over to the ghetto or what? I want to bring your Glock. Welcome to the Thunderdome.
Onward and outward. Leaving camp again. Gonna go do imaging this time. Found out all the footage from yesterday probably won't have audio, so I had to change up cameras, and I got my old DSLR I'm trying to use. So hopefully this works out. This thing's a little bit cumbersome to use, so we'll go with that and we'll see.
I think Rich just figured out what they did. They left me here and there's water. Thanks, Richard. Thank you. Nice. Hi.
I was just talking about all these damn people that keep stopping the group and filming all the time.
Sorry. That's what we have to do.
Ooh, it's very windy out here. Ooh, man. Up here in Imogene, this is Poser Rock. Of course, gotta get the obligatory poser pictures. So, it's pretty sweet, can't lie. We're up here at the top of Imogene. It's super windy. I don't think we're even getting out. It's way too windy.
Our elevation is 13,147 feet.
Yep. And here, you can see how windy it is.
Pretty windy.
We are now going down the Telluride side of Imogene. Wendy's doing a great job piloting the Liberty. But if you look way over there, it's Telluride down there. That's the airstrip down there.
Alright, so we just finished up. We just passed through Ridgeway. Me and Weston are heading back up through Grand Junction. Riley had to go back to Uray to the campsite to go get us the trailer. So we had a good time. This was a good trip. Make sure to check out Weston and Riley. I'll post up their info on somewhere on description and whatnot. And then there's a few things I'm gotta do on the Jeep, and those are gonna be in some future videos. So keep an eye out for those, and appreciate you guys checking this out, and do all the likes and subscribes and all that whatever YouTube-y stuff. And thanks for watching. See ya.
This is what KJ did. This isn't mud. This is fucking poop. You smell. Bad dog.